Today we are meeting in Pafos at the AUB Mediterraneo for the first summit outside Beirut on storm. It is an opportunity for AUB Mediterraneo to play its role in welcoming and hosting all the partners involved in the project, to start the process of disseminating the technical aspects of the project and creating an environment where awareness around energy and sustainability and energy storage in particular is expanded and disseminated to the wider public.
The storm pilot is considered to be particularly interesting because it is trying for the first time to test how thermal energy could be stored in the ground during the summer months and then retrieved to produce space heating for buildings. This technology is particularly important because it allows us to use renewable energy to heat our structures rather than rely on fossil fuels. In particular, the geology of Lebanon, which is comprised mostly of limestone, allows for storing heat efficiently and then retrieving it for use as space heating in buildings. So our team is hoping that this technology that we are implementing in AUB for the first time will reduce reliance on conventional fossil fuels to produce space heating. At this stage, we have finished the design of the pilot, and in the next few months, we will start implementation, installing the actual boreholes and the solar system, and in a couple of months, we will start to have data that will validate the effectiveness of this system in producing renewable space heating.
The idea is to replicate a kind of three-generation system which can be a standalone. So we use thermal energy, photovoltaic energy, and also an hybrid pump, and we hope to use the solar energy, also the electricity, to cover all the demand of the final user. So we want to create a plant which is maybe a standalone renewable plant.
Solar systems integrating seasonal thermal energy storage are affected by a number of factors, including climate, geology, and energy demands. We collected detailed and accurate data for all the countries involved in the storm project. And we developed a GIS map with a number of layers characterizing the countries in terms of geology, climate, energy demands. This map will be made available for all the stakeholders via digital platform developed within the project.
For Ajlon Eco Cabins, this solution is suitable because it responds directly to the site conditions. Also, the cabins need a clean and reliable source of heating and hot water. But at the same time, the system must respect the ecotourism and protected reserve context.
So LCEC can bridge the gap between the technical research provided in the storms project to the Lebanese policy framework, the market, and other stakeholders. It can open discussions about the regulatory readiness regarding permitting, regarding works with public authorities, and also it can raise awareness on the importance of the solar thermal storage technology among ESCOs, university students, municipalities, and other people involved in this technology.